Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we embark on captivating journeys through time to explore the wonders of human ingenuity. I'm Faiz, your guide on this enthralling adventure. Today, join me as we delve into the fascinating story of the invention of the first clock and its evolution to the sophisticated timekeeping devices of today. Our journey begins in the ancient world, where timekeeping was a challenge. Early civilizations used natural elements such as the sun's position, the flow of water, and the position of stars to measure time. Sundials, among the earliest timekeeping devices, used the shadows cast by the sun to indicate the time of day. Around 3,500 years ago, ancient Egyptians and Babylonians developed water clocks, also known as clepsydra, to measure time more precisely. These devices relied on the steady flow of water from one container to another, indicating the passage of time. Fast forward to the 14th century, and we witness the emergence of mechanical clocks driven by gears and weights. These early clocks, often found in medieval monasteries and town squares, marked the hours with the ringing of bells. The advent of the escapement mechanism in the 17th century brought even greater accuracy to timekeeping. The Renaissance period witnessed the development of pendulum clocks, thanks to the ingenious work of Dutch scientist Christian Huygens. The swinging pendulum allowed for greater precision, and these clocks became the standard for accurate timekeeping. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries brought significant advancements in clockmaking. The invention of the spring-driven clock, portable and reliable, led to the creation of pocket watches and eventually wristwatches. The 20th century saw revolutionary changes in timekeeping technology. The introduction of quartz crystal clocks and digital displays brought unprecedented accuracy and ease of use. Atomic clocks, based on the vibrations of atoms, set new standards for precision. Today, we live in the era of atomic clocks, which are so accurate that they can lose or gain only a second in millions of years. These atomic clocks serve as the foundation for global timekeeping, providing the basis for the Coordinated Universal Time, (UTC), used worldwide. With the rise of the digital age, our devices are equipped with precise timekeeping, synchronized with global atomic clocks. From smartphones to smartwatches, we carry timekeeping marvels in our pockets. The journey of timekeeping has been a remarkable one, from the ancient sundials to the cutting-edge atomic clocks of today. Through the centuries, human ingenuity and scientific advancements have refined timekeeping, shaping the way we organize our lives and connect with the world. Join me on this extraordinary adventure as we celebrate the evolution of timekeeping. Like, comment, and share this captivating exploration with fellow history enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode where we continue to uncover the wonders of the past and glimpse into the future. Time never stops ticking, so let's cherish every moment and make the most of the time we have.